Hello friends, welcome to Affairs Cloud. We learn to lead. My name is Vikas. So friends, in this video we will be discussing about some of the most important current affairs of the topic applications and web portals of July month. This video will be very helpful to you, so do watch the video till the end. Hit the like button and share the link of this video with your friends. So friends, we'll start with our session, but before that we have something important to tell you about. We have an app by the name Careers Cloud which you can go and download through the Play Store. Once you have downloaded the app, you will open the app and you'll see this type of screen. In this, you can go and log in with your Google account, that is your Gmail ID. Then once you have logged in, then you will be moved to this page where you can see a window. If you click on the current affairs section here, then you will be moved to this page. Now this is where magic happens. This is the course where there are two courses provided by us. First, you should know it is of 1 year and 2 years, so choose your course accordingly. What we are providing and what is the reason behind that you should purchase course of current affairs from us, and what are the important details about it. First thing, you should know that we provide you current affairs in both English and Hindi. Okay, also we provide you here current affairs daily. PDFs are provided daily. The important factor here to remember is we are providing PDF to you daily. Okay, that contains question answers of the daily current affairs. They are explained in a much easy way where you can grasp the knowledge and do your revision. Okay, apart from app, we provide you with question answers. Then on every day we provide you 20 question answers quiz, daily 20 questions quiz. So imagine how much it will benefit you in your preparation. Then we provide you same thing for weekly. In weekly we take a quiz of 50 questions. Then question answers of week, we provide you a book. PDF is provided you weekly of the compiled questions of the whole week. Similarly for monthly also, ebook is given, your quizzes are taken, question answers PDF. Then apart from it, we also help you to prepare for banking papers. All the banking exams you can go refer to our videos and our courses here. You can see here we provide you banking and economic quiz of 157 questions. Okay, then topic wise PDFs are covered. As you can see, we are making videos on indexes and reports, important days, the books and authors, all the events that are taking place in individual months. So these PDFs are provided to you and they will help you a lot in your preparation for journal awareness, your journal studies, as well as for current affairs. Then you can see we also provide you current affairs for state wise current affairs are provided to you. Apart from this, I have a gift for all of my friends here. If you use my code Vikas10, you will be getting a straight 10% discount on the purchase you make. So when you are about to check out and do the payment, just before the payment, you will be getting an option to use the promo code. There you can put the Vikas10, the code, and you will be getting an extra 10% discount on the total purchase you make there. So let's start with our video. So friends, let's start. First, we'll be talking about a glacial lake atlas of Ganga River Basin was recently released. Two questions can be asked from this. First, the name of the person who released or who decided or who made this glacial lake atlas of Ganga River Basin, and second can be asked which ministry has released this. So you should know the Ministry of Jal Shakti has released the glacial lake atlas of Ganga River Basin, or the question can be vice versa, that recently Ministry of Jal Shakti released a glacial lake atlas of which river basin. It was your Ganga River Basin. Then next thing you need to remember is the name of the person. Alright, the Glacial Lake Atlas of Ganga River Basin was virtually released by Pankaj Kumar, who is the Secretary for the Department of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation. Alright, and the Ministry of Jal Shakti. Important thing, name of the person Pankaj Kumar and Ministry of Jal Shakti you need to remember, and the name of the river, that is the Ganga River Basin, was released in the Glacial Lake Atlas. This atlas mapped around 4,707 glacial lakes in the Ganga River Basin with a total lake water spread area of 20,685 hectares. Will provide information on their type, hydrological, topological, associated glaciers, and much more. Next we'll be talking about Atmanirbhar Krishi app. Krishi is your related to agriculture. That means this will be providing insights to the farmers regarding the weather information. All right, and this was launched by the PSA, that is your Principal Scientific Advisor of the Government of India. So remember the name Atmanirbhar Krishi app. This will help farmers to give them the proper weather data. All right, so when will it rain, or what will be the time of rain, if there will be a cyclone, all the related weather events. Let's look at it. The office of PSA or to the government of India has launched Atmanirbhar Krishi app under the Kisan Mitra initiative. This app aims to equip farmers with actionable agriculture insights and provide early weather alerts. The app collects data related to the soil type, soil health, moisture, weather, and water table, and generates personalized insights related to crop selection, fertilizer equipment, and water needed for each farmer. It has been designed and built by Tech Mahindra Makers Lab team, the research and development arm of Tech Mahindra. It can be asked, who developed the Atmanirbhar Krishi app? It was developed by the Tech Mahindra Makers team lab. The data for the app is being provided by the various government departments. Now we saw just here a term that is under the Kisan Mitra initiative. So this means this Atmanirbhar app is built under the Kisan Mitra initiative. What is this Kisan Mitra? Kisan Mitra, that is your Friends of the Farmers project, is an initiative of the Office of the Principal Scientific Advisor of the Government of India. The objective of the initiative is to make Indian farmers become self-reliant by giving them insights and recommendations based on the information from various data sources from different departments of the government. All right, next we'll be talking about recently 5 important portals on Ayush sector was launched by the Shri Kiran Rijuji. All right, let's look at the portals and we will see them directly, and do take a note of these 5 portals. First is your CTRI. CTRI is an acronym for Clinical Trials Registry India. It is a primary register of clinical trials under the World Health Organization's International Clinical Trial Registry platform. The CTRI portal will facilitate the usage of Ayurveda terminologies to record clinical study based on Ayurveda interventions and will result in worldwide visibility in Ayurveda clinic trials. First is CTRI, do remember. Second is SHAHI, an acronym for Showcase of Ayurveda Historical Imprints. This portal incorporates authentic resources and showcases inscriptions, archaeobotanical informations, sculptures, philological sources, and advanced archaeogenetic studies. This portal provides a thorough understanding of Indian knowledge system with a focus on indigenous healthcare practices. This was your Shahi second. Third is your e-Medha. Electronic Medical Heritage Accession portal provides online access to more than 12,000 books related to Indian medical heritage and can be accessed through the NICs, that your National Informatics Center's e-Granthalaya platform. This was your third, that is e-Medha. Fourth is your Amar, acronym for Ayush Manuscripts Advanced Repository. It is a repository for Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani, Siddha, and Sova Rigpa manuscripts and catalogs. Fourth was your Amar, and the last one is your CCRAS, that is your Research Management Information System, a collaborative effort of the Indian Council of Medical Research, that is your ICMR, and Central Council for Research in Ayurvedic Science, CCRAS. This portal will be one-stop solution for research and development in Ayurveda-based studies. It will provide free-of-cost research guidance by experienced scientists, clinicians of Ayurveda-related medicines. Alright, so these are the 5 portals. Let's revise. CTRI. First is your CTRI, second is your Shahi, third is your e-Medha, fourth is your Amar, and fifth is your CCRAS, Research Management Information System. Next we'll be talking about Haryana's Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar has recently launched a mobile app for government schemes, that is Jan Sahayak Aapka Sahayak. Remember, Jan Sahayak Aapka Sahayak, released by which state? It was released by Haryana. Who launched it? It was launched by the Haryana's Chief Minister. He is Manohar Lal Khattar ji. Alright, let's look at it, what this is about. Chief Minister of Haryana Manohar Lal Khattar launched a mobile app Jan Sahayak Aapka Sahayak from Chandigarh to ensure everywhere, anytime, anybody delivery of government to citizen and business to citizen service under this single digital platform. This app contains necessary information about various government services, emergency helplines and other informations. Haryana is already providing more than 551 government services and schemes of 42 departments through Saral portal. If we talk about Mukhyamantri Shahri Nikay Swamita Yojana portal, for giving ownership, this particular scheme, that is your Mukhyamantri Shahri Nikay Swamitra Yojana, for giving ownership rights to the property holders, CM also launched Mukhyamantri Shahri Nikay Swamitra Yojana portal, and this is also by Haryana government. Alright, then if we talk about the scheme, under this scheme, those having houses, shops of the municipality on a lease or rent basis for the past 20 years can get the ownership rights by registering on the portal. The occupiers will get a maximum of up to 50% discount on the present collector rate. Next we'll be talking about ICAI has launched a mobile application by the name ICAI BOS on the occasion of CA Day. What is your CA? CA is your Chartered Accountant Day. Alright, when is your Chartered Accountant Day observed? It is observed on 1st of July. Do remember this. Okay? Chartered Accountant Day, 1st of July. The Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, that is ICAI Board of Studies BOS, launched a mobile application ICAI BOS for the students of Foundation, Intermediate and Final CA course. It is a single platform to provide interactive learning and coaching facilities along with features of getting study material without internet connection and ad-free learning while viewing lectures. How will it be useful for CA students? Let's look at it. CA students can track announcement and push notifications, live coaching classes, all education contents, download facility notes and assignments, attempt topic-wise MCQs, based online tests, video recorded lectures as his or her convenience at any point of time. This app will be extended for other student services and portals in the second phase. So basically this is for the chartered accountant students as of now. Next we'll be talking about Raksha Mantri Shri Rajnath Singh, as you can see him in the picture, has launched AI, that is your artificial intelligence powered grievance management application. Let's look at it. Who launched? A question can be asked. A grievance management application called CPGRAMS was launched by which ministry? It was launched by the Ministry of Defense. Or if the name of a person is asked who launched it, it was launched by our Defense Minister Shri Rajnath Singh. So Defense Minister Rajnath Singh launched artificially intelligence powered grievance management application system called CPGRAMS, that is your centralized public grievance redress and monitoring system application. It was developed by the Ministry of Defense along with the Indian Institute of Technology of Kanpur. If we look at the silent features, the AI tool of the app has the ability to understand the content of the people's complaints and would be automatically analyze it. It would automatically categorize the content based on the meaning and identify the repeated complaints or spam. It could also make a geographical analysis of complaints and find whether the complaint was adequately addressed or not by the concerned office. It also reduces human intervention, saves times and ensures transparency under the grievance disposal. Next we'll be talking about Raj Kisan Organic. Here Raj stands for Rajasthan. One question done. Raj Kisan Organic is the scheme or mobile application of which state government? It was of Rajasthan, as the name suggests, Raj Kisan Organic. Alright, so Rajasthan's Agriculture Department launched a mobile application Raj Kisan Organic that will enable online purchase and sale of the organic products in the states. So Raj Kisan Organic is basically for the sale and purchase of the organic products in the particular state. Alright, to make online purchase and sale of organic products in the state. Launched by the Agriculture Minister of Rajasthan, Lalchand Kataria. Alright, it is a mobile application, Raj Kisan Organic. The app was developed by the Agricultural Department of Rajasthan. If the name of state is asked, Rajasthan, do remember. If we key points to remember about this is, the online platform will support the farmers to find buyers to sell their organic products via grains, vegetables, spices, fruits, etc. Such things will be able to sold on online using this platform. By using the app, individual farmers group could register themselves in the app and sell their products directly to the registered buyers. To date, 160 farmers and 29 buyers have registered on this particular application. Moving on. Next, we'll be talking about National Web Portal for Sharing Research and Development Facility. That is your iSTEM enters phase 2. Important. Alright, let's look at it. Indian Science Technology and Engineering Facilities Map, that is your iSTEM. I repeat, Indian Science Technology and Engineering Facilities Map, iSTEM, the National Web Portal for Sharing and Research Development R&D Facilities, entered its phase 2 with an extension of 5 years till to 2026. Initially, the iSTEM was launched in the year 2020 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi as an initiative of the Office of the Principal Scientific Advisor to the Government of India under PM STIAC, that is your PM Science, Technology and Innovation Advisory Council mission. This question can be asked that iSTEM was launched under which mission? It was launched under PM STIC, that is your PM Science, Technology and Innovation Advisory Council mission. Objective is to strengthen the research and development ecosystem of India and to locate the required facilities that are needed for research and development work in India. If we look at the features of iSTEM, it is connecting researchers with the resources. Through iSTEM web portals, the researchers could get access to existing publicly funded R&D facilities in the country. The R&D equipment in the institutions across India could be located and accessed through iSTEM. It also facilitates researchers to access slots for the use of equipment and to share the details of the outcomes such as patents, publications, and technologies. If we talk about the phase 1 of the iSTEM, under the phase 1, more than 20,000 pieces of equipments from 1,050 institutions across the country were listed. It also included more than 20,000 Indian researches. So friends, this was our video. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you liked our video, do hit the like button, share the link with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel or if you are new to our channel, then do subscribe because it motivates us to bring a better content for you guys. Also, if you have any trouble regarding login or payment or any other issues, then you can reach to us on our mail, that is support@affairscloud.com, or you can call us on the number 9677333862 and we'll resolve your issue as soon as possible. Also, you should go and check our courses that are available at a very reasonable price and that will help you to boost your preparation.